In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your account number on the Truist Bank app in 2025. Whether you're new to online banking or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring that you can access your important banking details with ease. First, start by launching your Truist Bank app on your smartphone or tablet. You'll want to make sure you have the latest version of the app for the best experience, so consider checking the App Store or Google Play Store for any available updates. Once you have the app open, it's time to log in. Enter your user ID and password into the respective fields. If you've forgotten your login details, don't worry. There's typically a forgot password or forgot user ID link that you can use to recover them, often with the help of your registered email or phone number. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click on Sign In. This will bring you straight to the home page of the app. Here, you'll probably see some summary of your accounts or a dashboard of your recent transactions. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find a button labeled View All. Give that a tap. This action will expand the view, allowing you to see all the accounts and cards linked to your Truist profile. Now comes the easy part. You'll see a list of your accounts, each perhaps labeled with the account type and sometimes a nickname if you've set one. Select the specific account for which you want to find the account number. Tap on it, and this will take you to the detailed view of that account. Once you're in the account details section, you should be able to find your account number easily. It's usually listed prominently so you can't miss it. This number is essential for various financial tasks, like setting up direct deposits or external transfers, so you may want to jot it down somewhere secure or simply view it as needed directly within the app. That's all there is to it. You've now efficiently located your account number using the Truist Bank app. This method provides a straightforward way to handle your banking needs right from your mobile device, saving you the time and effort of visiting a branch or sorting through paperwork. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now feel more confident navigating your banking information on the Truist app. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other videos or check out Truist's customer support for more personalized guidance.